Hey guys, Corey Arnold out here at Toyota of Easley with Mr. Alex Lopez. Mr. Lopez is the Norris Built and the AOA manager, the add-on accessory manager at Toyota of Easley. And I got to tell you, this guy comes up with some fantastic ideas. Sometimes I like, no, Alex, you're wrong. And every time at the end, as a matter of fact, I told him initially that I did not like something about this truck, but guess what he did? He pulled it out. So Alex, let me ask you this. So number one, what did you do to this truck in the front?
So probably the biggest difference that we did, as you guys can see, is the different colors, right? So you got the blue on the outside and the black on the inside with that silver stripe kind of breaking up the sequence. And that is what we call a vinyl wrap. So we essentially just wrap it to the design that we like, just to give the truck a little bit of contrast and, of course, make it, unique.
Yeah, and Alex, I got to tell you, that's exactly, let's go ahead and say it on camera now. That's what I didn't like, because the black and the blue, I couldn't tell the difference. But I'm telling you, you knocked it out of the park when you actually added that silver stripe. Now I come to it and I see it. Did you also wrap the roof of this one as well?
Yep. So we did a two-tone. So basically, everything from the windows up has been wrapped as well. So the pillars have been wrapped and the roof has been wrapped. So when you look at it from the side, you're going to be able to see that difference as well. You see the black, you see the blue, and then you got that silver stripe kind of breaking it up as well.
All right, guys, it's long been kind of a design thing of Toyota to have what we call a floating roof, so that the roof looks like it's attached, but kind of a separate thing. And I'm telling you right now, painting that, I didn't know you could do that. Fantastic. It looks good. All right, tell me about lift kit on this vehicle.
Yeah, so same thing, very similar formula that we really love to use. It's proven to be successful, which is the Westcott. This one's a 2.5-inch lift kit on the front, and that allows us to be able to do the 35s with, of course, a nice 20-inch method gloss black wheels. So that's a formula that we like to follow a lot, and I mean, it just works. It looks great.
All right, let me ask you this now, and I understand I'm an old fogey, okay, I'll go ahead and say that out loud, but looking from the side, I would prefer that my wheel not stick out quite so far that we've got there. Can I do a 35 and it not stick out quite that far?
Yeah, so, and that's a good point. So so this is called poke. So you guys can see where the fender ends, and this is where you're referring to, is how far the tire.
You said it's called poke?
It's called poke, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
So that's what we refer to as poke, and you can control that by the offset on the wheels. So you don't need spacers or anything like that. So if somebody says, hey, I like the poke, which is really what's trending right now. A lot of the younger generation absolutely love having the poke. Or we can suck it in and do positive offset to make it flush with the fenders if we wanted to.
Well, there it is. He just said the word. All right, so if you're an older guy like me, you don't want the poke. Guess what? You can do that, but the younger generation, this is more popular. I will say the last Tacoma that we did this on, it probably lasted about maybe 48 hours. So obviously this is a little bit more popular. I just wanted you to know that if you prefer it not to have that, because I like the lift kit, I like the knobbier wheels and tires. I love the black wheel. You did a fantastic job right there. But again, I wouldn't like as much poke, but that's okay. You can get all the poke you actually want. Anything else you did to this one?
No. Well, we did it on the tailgate back here. We did the inserts as well, and we went with chrome this time. We typically do black, but we did the polished silver, the chrome, to make that Tacoma stick out, and then we did the black gloss exhaust tip as well. So kind of just keep that black and blue and silver theme throughout.
Oh man, I like that Norris Built badge right there.
That's the best part of the build in my opinion. So. And just keep in mind, guys, remember, if you guys come and look at this truck and say, hey, I love the build, but I would love to do it on a different color a Tacoma, or you want to do it on a Tundra, you definitely can. You can choose every aspect of everything, and it doesn't void the manufacturer warranty. So just keep that in mind, guys. We can make it all happen here at Toyota of Easley. But yeah, just hit us up if you guys have any questions. We're here. I know the end of the year is coming up soon, so we definitely want to help you guys get in your dream vehicle before the end of the year.
All right, guys, so again, I got to tell you something. I like what he just said, whatever color you're looking for. So there are a lot of Tacomas out here on this lot. The 2026 Tacomas are right around the corner. We've got some colors that are coming in we haven't had before. Mud bath, we've seen it on some cars, but now you're going to see mud bath on the 2026 Toyota Tacoma. The Heritage Blue, like comes on the Land Cruiser, is now going to be available on Tacoma, and this guy can turn it into anything that you want. So guess what? I get you the stock car, and he does the rest for you. Hey, we're a team here at Toyota of Easley. Come see us at Toyota of Easley and make it your own.